let's go ahead and take a look at signatures within Toggles. So we'll start off by opening the menu here, and you will see a Manage Signatures button. We'll go ahead and click that. That will open up our Manage Signatures screen. I do not have any signatures created yet, so I'm going to go ahead and click Create Signature. And here we will name our signature. So I'm going to call this my external signature. And we'll go ahead and click Next. And here we get our editor. You can see the different options here. You can also paste content in from any website or document. And you'll also see a help icon here, which explains some of the limitations and also how to use variables, and an important reminder of that it's quite important to be testing your content, as Outlook likes to render things a little bit differently across their platforms. So let's go ahead and create our signature. So I'm going to go ahead and copy an example signature here, and I'm going to paste that into the editor, and we'll see that it pastes nicely. And now I'm going to go ahead and click Create Signature. And we'll see that it's created here. If you wanted to go back and edit it, you can click the Edit button and come back and make changes, and then click Save again. I'm going to close out of the Manage Signature screen, and in order to use this, I need to add it to a rule. So since that was my external signature, I'm going to go ahead and add it to one of these existing rules for now. So I'm going to open up the Manage Rules pane, and I'm going to go to the Cold Outreach 1 rule. Click Edit, and then go to our actions, and I want to create a new action to insert this signature whenever I toggle this rule on. So we'll click Signature Action Type, and then select the signature to use. We're going to go with External Signature, and save the rule. We'll close out of the Managed Rules screen. And now we can see if we expand the Cold Outreach number 1 rule, that it's going to, insert the Cold Outreach 1 template, but it's also going to use our external signature. So if I toggle that on, we'll see that our signatures is inserted there. We also get the options to fill in the template variables. I'm going to go ahead and just close that out for now and toggle the rule back off, and we'll see that everything is cleared out. You can have more than one signature set up within Toggles. So let's go ahead and set up another signature for an internal email. So let's create a new signature, and we'll call it internal signature, and click Next. And now I'm going to have a little simpler signature. So I'm going to copy that and go ahead and paste that in, and then click Create Signature. I'm going to close out of the Manage Signature screen, and let's go ahead and add that to a rule. I'm just going to create a new rule that only inserts this internal signature. Let's click Next, Add Action. We're going to click Signature again, and now we have both of our options. I'm going to go ahead and click the internal signature and create that rule. I'll close out of the Manage Rules screen, and now we see that new rule that we just created here. So if I was sending an email to a coworker and I want to add my internal signature, I can just toggle this on now. At any point in time, you can modify your signature, and it will be updated within all the rules that you have it set up in.